Haniwoosh would be exotic, eclectic, and classy. My favorite area, I would definitely choose the praying room. If you can see the bold colors on the wall, which is the blue, and it plays with the terracotta on the ceiling, and then coming towards the outdoor, I built this fountain, and it's actually a multi-purpose fountain, come with an ablution as well, and with the stripe of the pink and the blue, it's somewhere else, you know. It's nice, and then you wouldn't imagine it's in Malaysia with that kind of conceptual. If you see Haniwoosh choices of the color, it's quite daring. I mean, like, I really love to play with print, very bold, actually bold prints, and I think not many people are quite daring to choose such a bold colors, and amazingly it turns out really well. I can say that I'm really proud of my team. The bold colors, the choices of the print, the veneers, the materials, the furniture, it really blends well, and I'm really happy with the end result. So yeah, that would be my favorite.